Good morning, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. This is the Shoe Snob video series, and today I want to talk about what makes a good shoe. As long as I've been in this footwear game, I've learned a lot of things. Being a customer, being a shoe shiner, being a shoe brand owner, interacting with people, being a salesman at Nordstrom, selling hundreds of thousands of shoes in different brands, all shapes and sizes. You start to really understand about footwear and what separates the different brands, the different qualities, the different makes, the different prices from each other. And I just wanted to talk a little bit about what makes a good shoe. First of all, everything is subjective. Our opinions, our likes, our dislikes, we all have different beliefs in what is comfort, what is value, what is quality. A lot of times, things that are inconsequential to the quality are often measured purely aesthetical things. A lot of times, other things that have nothing to do with aesthetics and are purely based on durability are measured to denote a good shoe. For example, you have your Alden shoes. Great shoes, not amazing in the finishing. Stitching is not the cleanest. Welts are thick and protruding. The shoes are, somewhat clumpy, but they are built to last. It will last you and your child's lifetime if you treat them right. Is that good quality? Is that a great shoe? That's the question. Others will then judge on, the finishing. How amazing a shoe looks, flawless. You can find a pair of Gucci shoes flawless for $900. They probably cost 100 euros to make, and they probably might last you a few years, but they're flawless in the aesthetic. Is that a good quality shoe? Again, that's the question. For me, what makes a good quality shoe is, first and foremost, is the shoe comfortable? Without comfort, we have nothing. An uncomfortable shoe is a pain in your ass every day because, it's important to treat your feet right. That's what you're on all day if you're not sleeping. You're standing or you're sitting at your desk or whatever you're doing, but the fact of the matter is they're on the feet, and the feet are what carry the body. So comfort is key. Going into what is comfort is a whole nother story altogether, but let me just strike that off as, for me, the first important checkpoint to finding a good quality shoe. Comfort. If you stick your foot in that shoe and it doesn't feel good, chances are it's never going to feel good. So you can wipe that shoe right away off your list. And that doesn't mean that the maker's bad. Maybe just means that the last doesn't suit your foot. There's also that. But good quality to me means something that's durable, comfortable, and looks good. Price really doesn't matter, A great example is Meerman and how they've come and killed the shoe industry because they made some good quality shoes for a very cheap price. I've never tried their lower end line, but their Linea Maestro, back in the day when they came out at 270 euros for a hand welted shoe with good leather, it checked all those points off. It was comfortable, it was durable, and it was a great price. That's a good quality shoe. Now, I've read bad reviews for their lower end line, but I've never been able to experience that firsthand. So good quality is in reality, in my mind, is value for your money. So I don't think that just because a shoe has great finishing, but it costs $1,000 and it's Blake stitched, and because it's made in Italy, for me that's not good quality. It's not. You're not getting your value there. You're paying for an idea, you're paying for a name, you're paying for a brand, you're paying for where it's made. And where it's made means nothing these days, because I'm seeing some amazingly striking Chinese shoemakers making some top quality shoes, which is scary because I'm sure they're coming at a really low price. European shoemakers should beware and be afraid of this, because they're going to start breaking down ideas and barriers to where something is made, meaning it's either good quality or not good quality, because there's a lot of crap coming out of Europe, I'll tell you that for sure. And a lot of crap that's passed off as being made in Europe, but it really is 80% done in India or China. So, good quality. What does it mean? It means good value for money. It doesn't have to be the best shoe in the world. You know, Loke Shoes has good quality shoes. They're not my favorite by any means. I hate bookbinder leather, but dang, those shoes cost little and last a long time. And to me, that's good quality. You're getting good value for your money. But then there's cheap shoes out there that cost little and last you 3 months. That's not good quality. You've wasted your money there. You get sold on the price. You get tricked into thinking it's handmade or made here, made there, made that. None of that crap matters. What matters is that it's well made at an affordable price and it's comfortable. And well made, well, that's another story as well. Durability for me is probably key. That's why Alden crushes it. They don't make the prettiest shoes, but they make a strong shoe that lasts dang near a lifetime. And that's why they've built a good reputation. So, quality, good quality. Chances are you're buying from a big department store, it's gonna be hard to find that good quality. A lot of times it's direct to consumer brands because that's where you're getting the best price. Whether or not there's a wholesale markup, you know, even still, the problem with the department stores is they're buying a lot of fashion brands and marking them up at a high price, and it's just not fair to the end consumer. And then there's a lot of misconceptions about footwear due to that. So again, good quality can come at numerous stages of the shoe industry. It can come at a $300 Merriman, can come at a $1,500 Graziano and Guerlain, could come at a $700 Crockett and Jones. Judging first and foremost, comfort, durability, good looks. For me, if you can mesh those three together, and good value for money, and again, good value for money doesn't mean cheap. It means that you judge the quality against the price. Knowing that takes a lot longer of time, studying a lot of shoes, trying shoes, feeling shoes, wearing shoes. But first and foremost, if the shoe feels too light or too thin or not substantial, a lot of times those shoes don't last. It's the reality of it. They're made that way so that they break down and you buy new pairs. That's just the reality of the shoe game. That's the reality of any business in reality. And a lot of times, unless you're going for pure quality, a lot of people want high turnover. High turnover means making things that go quickly so that you can get a new pair or a new shirt or a new whatever it is, a new piece of toilet paper rolled because the one you bought was too thin. The thicker ones that last longer, you pay more for. It's just the nature of product. So anyway, what is a good quality shoe? Comfortable, looks good, and good value for money. These are the things you got to judge when you're out there buying a pair of shoes. And I know it's challenging because I know that a lot of people can trick you, a salesman or whoever, a brand, an idea. All these things are there to trick you. In reality, it comes with trying, asking questions, reading blogs, looking at Instagram, doing whatever it is, knowledge, research. Don't believe all the hype. Find the voice that actually sounds like it's really telling you the truth and not just trying to sell you something. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I'm gonna start mixing it up between basic videos and discussion videos. Here's one of my discussion videos. Let me know what you think makes a good quality shoe. I'd be curious to hear your thoughts. Take care, guys. Have a great day.